Maybe it's where, yeah.
Số lô hộp bè nha, số đà.
Just gotta search for peacock.
Tí tụi miền tổ chứ ta hả lâu.
They didn't stay still. I can't see. I don't see no pink cats. Oh, maybe this back here.
She's wearing white.
White hat?
She has white, thingy. Yeah, white.
No. I don't see no white hat. I mean, pink cat.
She just has a little bit of pink on it. She should be right there.
I see one over there with the.
Nó sẽ phun và số lô hộp bè nha.
Is she gonna run over there? I got large ones.
Rob, I'm gonna point it and look at this.
See, now they start fast.
Yeah.
Năm pha lò.
It was inverted, guys. That's how that much stuff.
Big guys. You take a big guy.
I'll take inverted. I want inverted. I don't want this one.
Shiny guys.
Ice cream. No, they give us ice cream.
Who would I get?
Oh, my God, that is not. No, Eddie, we're gonna go.
Mom, babe. What's on the line you put in that, Mom?
Right there, that's her, right? That's her, right?
There she is, right there.
Hey, right there, see?
Right here?
No,
Jennifer, right there.
I see
that's her, right?
Yeah, what the heck that is?
Oh, yeah, right there.
This one right here with the curly hair.
Yeah, that's her, see?
Yeah, I do know.
Yeah, walk like her mom, hella lazy. Sắm sắm nè. Phạt bé lên mình phải bé. Graduating class.
Oh, really?
300 to 400.
They say that's one of the largest. I got big ones. Big squishy. Big squishy.
Who's done inverted guys last? That's the best one.
Oh, that's good.
Look, I got my diamond one. Chinese people. Oh, yeah. Keep on getting Stop giving me the
All the stove. You didn't tell us what Miguel's hat looked like.
Look,
Oh,
that's right.
heck of a-
okay. Half of my But I already
Is that him right there? He's walking up right there. Is that him? Might have hit the tree, the little baby tree.
Oh, yeah.
It is him, right? Kind of looks like him.
Oh, I see right there. I see right there. I see right there.
Right there on the tree?
Miguel! Miguel!
They can't hear you.
No, it's not. He doesn't have a collage on.
Yeah, that's him. That's him. That's Miguel. That's Miguel.
Ở với hướng hay là cái gì? Yeah, they can't hear because the music over there, the jam with
Yeah.
Bro, I lost. He's sitting on the ground. He's on right there. Mom, can I use the Mom? I'm not getting the phone. Yo, how do you get like
Hey! Hey, who's there? She's at the corner. Oh, she's late now. She turned around now.
She's in the second row right there.
Oh.
Right at the corner.
Hola. 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 Hola.
Yeah, finally all gone. That's look, that guy has a cane. Wonder if he got hurt.
Hola, guys. Down in the woods. Please. Oh, yeah. Why do you think that's okay, I'm gonna give you that one, bro. Hey, he gives me bad luck, but all the time. I don't know. Yeah, I say my
Is he? I saw you at the bike.
Yeah.
The bike's wheel right there, see?
Our house is over there.
I was on the
Where?
Over there.
Over there?
No, over there.
That's still high.
I said over there.
That way?
Look at the moon.
No, over here. There's no moon out right now.
Yeah, right now. Oh, shit. Are you dead?
Oh, mata mampu lah.
Mom, I want to use the phone. I want to use it now. Mom, he gives me the look. But I already used the phone. My turn already.
It's okay, you can leave her alone. That'll hold your paper.
Oh my God. Stay next to me, bro. Okay, the phone. No, okay. Stop. There's barely any people now. Barely any people.
Where? Under here? Yeah, because it's done. I told you it's almost done. See, there's 3 left.
Why are they walking in a straight line?
It's on this side.
3 ô mai nhì bé phế chiếm nhì tao thì chú mày nhì bé phế chiếm nhì tao em đeo tê này thì chôm hấu bữa miền buồn miền quá tổ sâu kia cho nó nhớ tổ thật chôm hay sợ nó về khang mai về khang như phào chứ mình về khang như chôm tin còn hết cho lại xin rồi cái cô
Good evening, everyone. My name is Marcus Knott, and it is my honor to serve as the principal of Merced High School. Thank you for joining us this evening as we celebrate the graduates of the class of 2026. Joining me on stage are board member Ms. Erin Ham and Merced Union High School District Executive Director of Ed Services, Ms. Amy Pellissier. Thank you for being with us tonight. Also on stage with us is Merced High School Associate Principal, Ms. Phaedra Hoffman. To our seniors who kicked off the evening by carrying out the tradition of bringing in the flags that
Chiều
represent
nào
the
bà có trên
countries
bùa
where
mình
students
Nó
passed
tao
through
sợ
and
hình
exchange students within the Merced High School. Thank you and great job. At this time, please welcome 2026 Senior Class President Addison Lazari to lead lead us in the pledge to our flag. After the pledge, please remain standing as we honor our flag with the playing of our national anthem, performed tonight by Merced High School's own Marching 100 under the direction of Mr. Clark.
Please stand. Stand, ready, salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Coming to the stage at this time are students Chloe Cullen to deliver the welcome address in English and Jormhouc6 to deliver the welcome address in Spanish.
Good evening. On behalf of the Merced High School staff and my fellow graduates in the class of 2026, it is my pleasure to extend a most heartfelt welcome to this evening's commencement exercises. We stand before our family and friends, teachers, counselors, administrators, and our community to share the end of one journey and the commencement of another. We are honored by your presence and proud beyond words to be your sons and daughters, brothers and sisters, your students, and your friends. We offer special appreciation to our Merced Union High School board member, Aaron Ham, and Executive Director, Amy Pellissier. Thank you for your presence at this celebratory occasion. Tonight, let's celebrate all of our accomplishments one last time. Welcome, everyone.
Buenas tardes. Es un verdadero honor para mí darles la más cordial bienvenida a nuestra ceremonia de graduación de parte de todos los miembros del personal de la preparatoria de Merced y también de mis compañeros graduados de la clase del 2026. Nos sentimos muy orgullosos al poder estar compartiendo esta etapa tan importante de nuestras vidas ante nuestras familias y amigos, maestros, consejeros y administradores. Les agradecemos inmensamente por todo su apoyo, el cual nos ayudó a lograr esta meta. Quisiera expresar un reconocimiento especial a la señora Eri Ham, miembro de la Junta, y Amy Pellissier, directora ejecutiva. Gracias por estar presentes en esta ocasión tan especial. Esta noche celebremos todos nuestros logros por última vez. Bienvenidos todos.
Thank you, students. The graduating class of 2026 has done an outstanding job of living up to the standard of excellence that defines our traditions and history as the home of scholars and champions. In just a few moments, we will introduce 34 valedictorians. Later, 83 students will be draped with a gold cord as graduates of distinction. 2 weeks ago at Scholarship Night, we awarded 329 scholarships totaling almost $2.6 million. 33 students earned the seal of biliteracy. We have students attending some of the most prestigious universities in the country. Some have served as CTE regional and state officers and won CTE competitions in multiple pathways. In the pool and on the fields, track, courts, and mat, the Bears had another exceptional year, perhaps one of the best in the history of our school. The Marching 100 continued to excel, winning numerous honors. 11 sports programs were league champions, and 23 programs participated in the playoffs. And for the first time in school history, 4 programs, boys and girls water polo, girls flag football, and boys tennis, brought home section championships. Not to be outdone, our girls water polo team also brought home a Northern California championship. So it is no surprise that MHS took home our 4th straight overall athletic excellence award in the Central California Conference. Bears, congratulations on a fantastic year representing who we are. MHS truly is the home of scholars and champions. Please give them a round of applause. The first set of graduates we will recognize tonight is the class of 2026 valedictorians. Valedictorians have earned a minimum grade point average of 4.24 in addition to maintaining a rigorous course of study, including multiple college, honors, and advanced placement classes. I'm proud to announce the 34 valedictorians. Scholars, please come to the front of the stage as I read your name. Audience, please be patient. There are 34 of them. And hold your applause until I have read all of their names. Ian Hansford, Isabella Medina, Parth Mishra, Ricardo Navarro, Peyton Garza, Layla De Soto, Sharondeep Chauhan, Elise Metcalf, Sadie Van Dyke, Maricruz Olmos Aguayo, Reem Amro, Aiden Matsuo, Kian Bolivia, Camden Gudgel, Lane Hamilton Dotson, Ann Hoy, Joyce Ochoa, Natalie Solorio, Eric Nunez, Reed McCall, Flory Lowe, Vanny Dang, Valeria Moran, Mariah Fuentes, Caleb Bruner, Alex Hampton, Damian Gutierrez, Lily Tuguani, Genesis Moody McCoy, Aubrey Subinger, Vicente Cortez, Reese Martinez, Gianna Marroquin, and Joseph Hernandez. The valedictorians is our salutatorian. The salutatorian is the student with the next highest GPA. I'm proud to announce the salutatorian for the class of 2026 is Chloe Cullen. Chloe, please come to be recognized. Thank you, students. Please be seated. At this time, I'd like to welcome our athletic director, Mr. Paul Hogue, to honor some of our student athletes from the class of 2026.
Our scholarship has been established for the Athletes of the Year and the Spirit of the Bear Awards. Champions are not only athletes who excel on the field, court, track, pool, or mat, but they represent themselves, their teams, and their school with character, class, and concern. Leading the excellence of our athletic programs are 2 very gifted senior athletes. And before I announce them, I just want to make a couple things real clear, like Mr. Knott said. They saved the best for last. As most of you guys know, I am retiring this year, but we've never had a class like the class of 2026 when it comes to athletics. 11 conference championships, 4 section titles, a NorCal title, and the 4th consecutive athletic excellence. Give yourselves a big hand, guys. I am proud to announce that the class of 2026 Female Athlete of the Year is Annalise Ramirez. Please come forward. class of 2026, Male Athlete of the Year is Vicente Cortez. Oh, you go. Great job. The Spirit of the Bear Award is presented to a senior athlete who demonstrates an unparalleled level of leadership, work ethic, and maturity. In 2010, this award was renamed the Cameron Huddleston Memorial Spirit of the Bear Award. This was in memory of 2008 Merced High graduate Cameron Huddleston. He embodied the true spirit of being a bear as he fought on the field, the court, and for his life. Cameron, you will always be a special part of the Bear family. The Cameron Huddleston Memorial Spirit of the Bear Award goes to Reed McCall. We also want to acknowledge our two CCC Scholar Athletes of the Year who were celebrated at a breakfast a few weeks ago. Would you please rise when I call your name? Vicente Cortez and Elise Metcalf. Thank you all. Go Bears!
Thank you, Mr. Hogan. Congratulations to your senior athletes, and good luck to all of our seniors who are pursuing athletics at the collegiate level. At this time, Associate Principal Hoffman will announce the winners of the Bear Strong Award.
It is my honor to announce this year's Strong Award recipients. 10 years ago, faculty and staff adopted the word strong as an acronym for the desired core values of our Bear family. Each of these values, represented by the 6 letters of strong, is equally important and should be embraced by each representative of Merced High, not only while they work or attend school here, but also as they go about their daily lives. Those values are actions necessary to be successful, trustworthy, respectful, optimistic, goal-oriented, and have a never-give-up attitude are essential to living as effective members of our school, community, and society as a whole. Recipients of the Strong Award demonstrate a tremendous amount of growth in embodying those values, overcoming challenges and obstacles as they mature and ultimately succeed. Tonight, it's my honor to congratulate 2 individuals for embodying the 6 qualities of Bear Strong. Orion Sweeney and Caleb Cabillo, please come forward and be recognized.
Congratulations to Orion and Caleb. Yeah, give my hand, please. We will now hear from 2 students who were highly thoughtful in expressing their high school experience.